Good day, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video we're going to discuss the latest update about Swapfone airdrop. I believe you are into this airdrop, and by this time you are willing to know certain information about the airdrop, like the listing date, the withdrawal update, and the final question which many people are asking. The question is this: is Swap airdrop really legit or scam? By the end of the video you'll be able to know everything. All you need to do is to watch the video carefully till the end, and if it's the first time I'm coming to my channel, consider subscribing. As you can see right here on my wallet, I've already mined about 811 worth of their USDS coin, which is the coin we're mining here. And as you can see, I've given them about 31 referrals. Okay, if we come to this place, you can see the number of referrals I've given them so far. However, before we move on, there is this question many people ask about this airdrop, which is the final one: is Swapfone airdrop really legit or scam? Because sometimes people doubt the fact that whenever they are trying to access this airdrop, many ads normally pop up. Okay, many ads, and I've acknowledged the same thing as well. Like, even if you want to click something, it will turn to ads and it will be redirecting you to another place, and it is unusual of many airdrops to possess this character. However, let's get to know, is this airdrop really worth it? Okay, first of all, we'll start with the listing date of Swapfone airdrop. Okay guys, just like other networks, Swapfone also have their official account on Twitter, and I keep on following them every day so that I can see the latest information about the airdrop. They also have their wallet where they list other tokens. As you can see, the last news posted about 5 days ago is their listing of a WFI on their exchange, which is a Swapfone exchange, which shows that Swapfone have their own exchanges. Okay, and guys, as of 22nd of July, which is 22nd July of this year, Pi network listed on Swapfone. And as you can see, this is the news posted by Swapfone official on X, which says that Swapfone will officially list Pi on its exchange. Okay, so guys, since this day, many users started showing interest in Swapfone because they observed that if Pi could list on Swapfone, then it means that it could be legit irrespective of the plenty ads they are posting on their wallet. However, let us talk about the listing date of Swapfone itself. All right guys, as of the moment, there's no any official listing news of Swapfone. However, according to the comments made by this particular person, it seems that the airdrop is keeping up delaying people about their listing. This person says that from this news here, it says that you people are just using people here. You say mainnet launch is on 1st of September 2025, but on 1st of September you change it to 1st of October, which is 1st of next month. That means we're expecting them, from their information, we're expecting the listing of Swapfone to take place by 1st of next month, which is equivalent to Q4 of the year. Okay, so 1st of October is already closed. Let us keep on mining and see what they have for us. I believe you are cleared by the listing now. It is suggested to be around 1st of October based on the last information about listing by Swapfone official. All right guys, concerning about the legitimacy of Swapfone airdrop, here are some of the facts that you know whether the airdrop is legit or not. Okay guys, let us quickly go through this. Number one is claim of regulatory compliance and security measures. According to this information, it says that some sources indicate that Swapfone is a US-based crypto exchange that has obtained the necessary licenses and approvals to operate, suggesting regulatory compliance as well as implementation of security features such as cold storage, 2FA, and regular audits. These are positive indicators often associated with legitimate platforms. From this, this one is okay. From this indication, it shows that the platform is somehow legit. Let us check the second one: user reviews, platform-based advertising consign. A lot of people have dropped their reviews on this platform, and on Trustpilot, Swapfone holds a middling rating of 3.3 to 5 stars with a wide range of reviews, some positives, others gracious. users raise concerns over inappropriate pornographic acts, you understand, bugs and referral system inconsistencies, which I have mentioned earlier, because I say that the platform raised a lot of unnecessary ads and it makes the app so boring for the users. At the same time, even if you are trying to click on something, it will redirect you to another place, although some still comment the user interface and mining functionality. Okay, so we go to the next one here, which is number 3 here. Low trust scores from scam assessment tools. Scam evaluation platforms like Scam Advisor and Scam DOC raised red flags. Okay, Scam Advisors wants to exercise extreme caution, citing worrying signs. Okay, and ScamDoc gives the domain a poor trust of 25%, noting the site is very new, under 6 months old, and lacks identity information on its owners, typical traits of potentially fraudulent sites. Okay, so you have to be careful. Number 4, emerging platform with limited track record. Swapfone appears to be relatively new, with its domain registered just months ago. It heavily promotes features such as native stablecoin USDS that can be mined via its mobile app, claims that feel unusual or speculative as they lack long-term confirmation or audit proof. And finally, possible signs of scam tactics. Some users report suspicious activity such as unexpected account recovery Gmail changes after installing the app, which could indicate serious security or malware concern. So you have to be careful when you are trying to log in your email on this particular airdrop. You have to make sure you use a spare email, or the email that all your vital informations are not inside, in order to be on a safer side. Okay, and we scroll down. What is the final verdict? While there are some indications that Swapfone aims to present as a legitimate US-based exchange with strong security and regulatory posture, it remains highly speculative due to its very recent emergence, questionable advertising practices, as I showed you earlier, poor external trust rating, and mixed user experience with possible security concerns. Recommendation: if you are considering using Swapfone, proceed with extreme caution. Avoid linking high value or long-term held wallet, as I stated earlier. Verify early regulatory documentation and look for third-party audits or verifiable user withdrawal proofs before committing funds. Okay, so finally we're going to talk about withdrawal. Concerning about the withdrawal of this airdrop, it is showing coming soon, as you can see right here, which means that after the airdrop have been launched or listed, you'll be able to carry out the withdrawal. And from the information we gathered, the listing of the airdrop is expected to take place by 1st of October, which is 1st of next month. So guys, I believe this video is useful, and if you find it interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.